Hello there YouTube, Matthew Marks here again. Today I'm going to be shooting a video about a 22 long rifle that I picked up just a couple days ago. It's a Browning, and it's 22 long, not 22 long rifle. And it's a bolt action single shot. Got some ammunition for it over here. Box of 22 long rifle, Remingtons, just cheap store-bought ammo, by the bulk. Gave you a good look at it. Not much there, just enough to kill off a rabbit or two. So let's open up the action. Here you can see the inside of it. It's pretty old, in good shape. It says Brevete SGDG, and that's in quotes. The New Century Rifle. And on the side here, if I can get my hand out of the way, you can see that it's got proof marks on it, and it says 22 long right on the side. Good deal. So what I think I'm going to do now, we've got the barrel warmed up after shooting about 20 or 30 shots through it. I'm going to try and one-handed shoot this thing, and we'll see what we get. Let's go. So the way you load this thing is you take your sight around so we get in picture. What the hell is it? Take it in there. Just stick it in the pipe, close it. And now she is just about ready to fire after we pull back the firing pin to cock it. So now we'll take a look down range. And that's all there is to it. So the camera adjusts again. Maybe we got some. Come on. Come on, camera. Try adjusting this. Okay, YouTube. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.